A company called Colossal Biosciences just hatched 26 chicks from artificial eggs. Birds that have been functionally extinct for centuries. This happened this month, not in a lab report, in the real world. Their active project list: the woolly mammoth, the thylacine, the dodo. They are rebuilding them from DNA and gestating them in synthetic wombs. Here is the question nobody is asking. If you reconstruct a species genome by genome, cell by cell, and it hatches, and it breathes, and it behaves exactly like the original, is that the same animal, or is it a biological copy wearing the original's face? And if you can do it to a bird, what stops them from doing it to something else? Does the original consciousness come with the genome? Terrifying or extraordinary? Pick one.